Every single day, countless investors stare at property market returns that barely move the needle. They're stuck, frustrated, angry, watching their hard-earned capital get swallowed by mediocre yields and hidden fees. They wonder, is there an edge? Is there a way to break free from the slow, grinding pace of the traditional real estate game? This isn't just about numbers. It's about your future, your freedom, your power to build something greater than the status quo dares to offer. Real estate hedge funds promise to do that, but do they really deliver? The brutal truth is most of them don't. Even some of the biggest names fail to outrun simple market growth. The real battleground isn't just picking properties or markets. It's about mastering a system designed to hold you back and then overturning it completely. First, stop chasing easy answers or flashy track records. The only way real estate hedge funds can outperform the market is through active, ruthless management that goes beyond typical buy-and-hold tactics. They must dive deep into market inefficiencies, finding hidden distress sales, under-the-radar developments, or mispriced assets driven by temporary chaos. But here's the catch. Most funds don't have the guts or the strategy to take these risks. You need to demand that kind of boldness. Force the funds you trust to get laser-focused on operational improvements, cutting costs, renegotiating leases, improving tenant mixes, because pure market appreciation isn't enough to win anymore. Next, obsess over leverage, but not blindly. Too much debt is a trap, but smart, disciplined leverage accelerates returns exponentially. True alpha comes from optimizing the capital structure dynamically. Buy cheap, fix fast, reposition swiftly, and refinance aggressively to recycle capital into the next big move. If your fund doesn't live and breathe this model, you're just parking money in slow growth. Push for transparency on their leverage tactics and demand they share details on stress testing in downturns. If they shy away, run. Also, keep your eyes wide open for funds embracing technology and data at every turn. The power to analyze market trends in real time, predict tenant behavior, automate property management, and squeeze out inefficiencies is no longer optional. It's mandatory. Use their advanced data-driven intelligence to seize opportunities others can't even see. But here's the deepest, most overlooked secret. Your edge comes from alignment and access. Hedge funds that outperform are those connected to the right deal flow, to founders and operators with skin in the game, who think like owners and builders, not just managers. They move fast, adapt ferociously, and never settle for industry norms. You need to demand partnerships, co-investments, and profit-sharing structures that put your success front and center. The era of passive check writing is dead. Your money must be wired into forces blazing new trails and breaking old chains. If frustration burns inside because you feel trapped by slow growth, lack of innovation, and empty promises, know this. The solution is in your hands. Don't accept bland market returns. Don't bow to the tired bureaucratic game. Hunt for funds with guts, vision, data power, and ruthless operational focus. Insist on capital agility and strategic leverage unlike anything the traditional market has dared to offer. And above all, be part of a movement of few, not the herd, who refuse to settle. This is about creating a network of founders, investors, and leaders who break free from illusions and rewrite what real estate success looks like. The world won't hand you freedom, you have to seize it, step by step, deal by deal, mindset by mindset. So start now. Question every fund, every strategy, every promised return. Push harder for transparency, for boldness, for operational excellence that crushes market norms. Demand access to real alpha, real deal flow, and real alignment. Because the future doesn't belong to those who now stand still. It belongs to the ones who move, who disrupt, who transcend the limits set by yesterday's markets. And in that movement lies true freedom.